I'm Sophie.
And I'm Chantel. Today I'm going to write the letter B in the sand tray.
I'm going to get the letter B and some paper, and I'm going to write down the letter B. After writing the letter B, I'm going to get some glue and a brush and trace the letter B. Next, I'm going to get my sand and slowly sprinkle it onto the letter. After sprinkling on the sand, I'm going to fold the paper ever so slightly, like this. And pour the rest back into the cup. And now we have a sandpaper letter. Thank you!